So being that it's the start of 2023, has anything really changed for hypnotherapists in the marketing world? You know, NLP marketing, hypnotherapy marketing, getting more clients, getting more people to your certification, your events. Has anything changed from 2023 to 2022, 2023? Absolutely not. It all comes down to the same things. Sure, there might be some new social media platforms happening. Some may have died, some may have growing, some are good, some are bad. Things like podcast seems to be the big things now. A couple of years ago, I was writing the ebooks and the events. All of these sorts of things change, but the framework still remains. If you want to grow your company or your business or your one-to-one business bigger than everybody else, you've got to be omnipresent. You've got to do more than everybody else. You've got to outgrind your competition. I talk about this all the time. I've talked about it from day one, but a lot of people still argue saying it's mindset, it's abundance blocks and all this sort of other garbage. It's just conclusions and guesses anyway. There's a lot more competition now. So logic tells us if there's more competition, it's not only making sure you get the right niche from day one and investigating it properly, but it's doing more than everybody else. You're going to have to sacrifice a lot. Always sort of cringe when people say, I'm about to start my business and I'm going to start setting when I want to take holidays. I'm going to have to set this when I want to have this, when I'm going to go on a holiday here. And they start looking at things outside of the business to set up first. One of the best things you can do as a business is start to sacrifice. Sacrifice the TV shows, sacrifice Netflix, sacrifice the reading time, sacrifice the journaling time, sacrifice the time with your friends and family, you know, and having cups of coffee. I'm not saying don't look after your mental health, because you absolutely have to, but you've got to have sacrifices somewhere. Person that sacrifices the most, whether you believe it or not, will get the most out of this later. And those things they sacrifice now, they can do later because everything is booming. Their business is booming, their income coming in. So if you're not willing to sacrifice that TV show or that monthly haircut where you catch up with friends and coffee and spend all day doing that, it's going to be very hard to run the business. Now, again, it's just my opinion. Try it for yourself, but I can guarantee I'm right. Sacrifice goes a long way. So in 2023, it's going to be the same as in 2025 and beyond. Omnipresent, show up everywhere. Every social media platform, every single thing you can think of to get your name, your brand, your persona out there, show up in those places, in more places than everybody else, more often than everybody else, be more consistent, sacrifice, and you'll win this game every time, guys. It's as simple as that.